If you owe back taxes to both the IRS and your state, one of the first questions we often get is, who should I pay first? It's a fair question, and the natural instinct is to deal with the IRS first. But in some cases, especially if you owe a significant amount, we may recommend prioritizing the state. In this video, I will discuss why the state is often more aggressive, why timing matters, and how to protect your income and assets while you work toward a full resolution. Most people assume the IRS is the biggest threat. And in the long run, it might be. But in the short term, states are often faster, more aggressive, and less predictable. We've seen states move to garnish wages, freeze bank accounts, and suspend business licenses or driver's licenses, and in some cases, refer your case to a collections agency faster than the IRS ever would. The IRS might take years to act. The state, they can move in just a matter of weeks. And here's the strategic reason. States know that once the IRS steps in, federal supremacy applies. That means that federal liens and levies take priority, and the state may never see a dime unless they act first. So what do? They accelerate enforcement. They get aggressive early. They come after assets now before the IRS gets in line ahead of them. It's not personal, it's structural. And if you're trying to maintain control over your cash flow or protect certain assets, this matters. So what do we recommend? If you owe both state and federal back taxes and can't pay everything at once, it may be better to prioritize the state, to pay them first, or at least get them into a formal resolution, a payment plan, a hardship hold, or even a negotiated settlement if available. Why? Because the IRS, believe it or not, is usually slower to enforce and more flexible when it comes to long-term strategy. The state, they want to be first in line, and they don't hesitate to act if they're not. Here's the bottom line. If you owe a significant amount in back taxes across both federal and state, this isn't just about how much you pay, it's about when and to whom. At Gordon Law Group, we help clients strategically sequence their tax resolutions so they can protect assets, avoid enforcement, and pay on their terms, not just the government's. If you're facing pressure from both sides, let's talk. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be juggling the same question. We'll see you in the next one.